Ooh, I got you something, Susan. When you're walking on the grass. Yeah.
Mine. Get out of the way, then.
Yeah. Oh God, you're really wearing a King Kong
Oh, come on.
or Tarzan.
Yeah, well, I've got my energies now, haven't I? Right. Ooh.
Okay, now it's double bag.
Yeah.
Can you open it without ripping?
And he says I'm not allowed to open them with excitement.
Oh no, you can. Are you excited, really?
Well, I was a little bit.
Just a shoe.
Well, they look
For both
like
of us.
Well, this looks like my pretty little feet, today. Oh, look at this. Well, I was always moaning about getting my feet wet with my garden shoes that have open toes.
So now I got you galish. This is in Persian, we call it galish. Or Russian call it galush.
Look.
Here they call it grass shoes.
Look, that says Bigfoot, and that's my Diddy foot.
What do you expect from a woman and a man?
Well, I'm just saying to the viewers, that they
It's a
come-
dimorphism.
Sexual dimorphism.
Sexual
although
dimorphism.
That's questionable these days, really. Anyway, yes, he does have bigger feet than me.
Okay, so what?
Well, nothing.
big
I'm
deal.
not insulting your manhood. I'm just saying that you've got bigger feet.
So
than
what?
Me. We just take it.
So what?
Well, he
Sexual
just-
dimorphism is a fact of life. Oh, you're a scientist, you should know that.
Well, yeah, but it takes on the sort of wokey thing now.
Okay, let's just see how it looks on our feet. Oh, let's just wear it.
We've got our garden socks on. Hang on. Right now, oh, they're lovely fits.
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be able to get
Nice
the washing on the line in the early morning dew and the snow and the frost.
Is the right size?
Yes, let's dance. Da, 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 da.
Kiss that.
Go on, dance.
Get rid of this
I
situation.
can't dance.
So sexual dimorphism in action.
Yes.
You'll now know where to get it.
Yeah, you know where to get sexual dimorphism. From Dunlop. Dunlop.
From Dunlop.
They make all sorts
No,
of
it's
rubber.
Holland's. It's
no,
Holland's.
yeah.
It's a shop in the
It's a
UK.
shop called Holland's.
Yeah.
But they do Dunlop.
Dunlop is a company who makes rubber.
Yes, exactly. I rest my case.